From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Today is September the 5th, and we're getting closer to the average peak of hurricane season. That date is September 10th. Typically after that, the activity does drop just a touch. Has been a very busy season so far. We've had 12 storms, 3 hurricanes, and 2 major hurricanes. On average at this point in September, we would expect 7 storms, 2 hurricanes, and 1 major hurricane. And that was the forecast from NOAA in August. So looks like it is going to be and has been an above normal season so far. Here are all the tracks so far for the season. As we mentioned, we've had a lot of storms out there, and we're continuing to monitor a couple of more areas that will likely become storms before it's all said and done. Watching this wave coming off the African coast, Hurricane Center gives that a 70% chance of further development, but it's this cluster of thunderstorms right here. National Hurricane Center gives us a 100% chance of developing over the next few days. This will likely be Lee, and looks like it may become a hurricane before it's all said and done. Here are the spaghetti models already attached to that cluster of storms there. Pretty good agreement through about 5 days, and then things kind of spread out a little bit. As of right now, it looks like this is going to kind of turn more towards the northwest and eventually towards the north. But again, this is going to be a system we'll continue to pay close attention to. Here are the models, at least the comparative models between the European and the American, and you'll notice by next week both models show a major storm out here in the Atlantic. So that's 7 days from now, showing a major storm out in the Atlantic, possibly Hurricane Lee out there. So again, this will be one we watch closely. As we mentioned, that'll be our next named storm. The other 2 have basically dissolved. Yesterday we still had Gert out there in Katia, but those have now dissolved, and we'll continue to monitor that wave, or at least that tropical disturbance that will likely become Lee this week. As for our weather across the Midlands, yesterday we had a high of 94 degrees. Over the weekend it was very pleasant, 83 on Saturday. I'd love another cold front to kind of come through and bring us some cooler air. We did get some great pictures from our WLTX weather watchers over the past several days. Here a few of those good-looking shots. We always do appreciate you guys sharing your images with us. So again, some good-looking images from you guys. 94 degrees, not so good-looking, a little bit above our average of 88. So far this morning, we've dropped to 68 degrees. The record's 47 and 101. Those will be safe. No rain yesterday. Matter of fact, we haven't had any rain so far for the month of September. Now, there will be at least an opportunity for some showers and storms, it looks like, later this week. But today will be dry. It looks like tomorrow's going to be dry as well. As we kind of look ahead, by Thursday, this particular forecast model, our in-house forecast model, does show the moisture starts to increase, and there may be a small chance for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, we'll say late in the afternoon, early evening hours on Thursday. So here we are Thursday morning. We'll call it partly cloudy skies. And then as we get to Thursday afternoon, late in the day, Thursday afternoon, it looks like that small chance for a pop-up shower or storm. European forecast model shows that just that small chance for rain maybe Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Took the rain chances out for Sunday and Monday. Don't think we'll see measurable rainfall those 2 days. And over the next 7 days, you're not talking about a lot of rain. 1/10 of an inch maybe for a large part of the Midlands, and 100th of an inch for the western half of the area, and then over towards, we'll say, the PD and the Grand Strand, maybe a 1/4 of an inch of rain. High temperatures today, going to feel more like summertime than September, with these highs in the low to mid 90s. We'll call it mainly sunny skies. And this is what you can expect over the next few days. Some clouds on Wednesday, partly cloudy skies on Thursday, a small chance for a pop-up shower or storm. A few storms will be possible on Friday as well. Looking ahead towards the weekend, temperatures do drop down closer to normal, mid to upper 80s it looks like. Small chance for a little bit of rain on Saturday. Seasonable conditions on Sunday. Coastal forecasts, some scattered showers and storms will be possible over the weekend. Short term though, highs in the low 90s. It looks like low 90s in the upstate today, maybe mid 90s tomorrow, and those temperatures do start to drop a little bit as we get closer to the weekend. As we look ahead, our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, this would be September 12th through September 18th. Warmer than normal conditions for a sliver of South Carolina, but you'll notice a sliver of the northern half of the Midlands, or at least the Palmetto State, maybe cooler than normal. So something to maybe kind of look forward to in our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook.